In PowerQuery, you can build an if function one of two ways. The problem is when you try and edit it, it kind of forces you back into the wizard. So just to show you, I'm going to create a custom column here. This is just a check. And what we're going to say is if the sales is bigger than 20,000, then give them 5% commission, otherwise, so else 0. So that part's fine. I click OK. Seems to work. Now I want to go and change something. If I go and click on the gears, immediately it goes back into the wizard. And we don't actually like this. Sometimes we prefer to go back into the actual dialog box. So one way just to force it to go back there is go into the formula, and if you're uncomfortable writing in here, just go to one of these and I'm going to put brackets around and just put a calculation of some sort, 1 + 1. When I click enter and I now go and click on the gears, you'll see it takes us back to this. And typically this is where we want to do slightly more fancy if function, include ands and ors, that type of thing. So at the moment, there's no easy way to tell it. It has to go back into this. The moment it sees a conditional type structure, it goes into the conditional wizard.